In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail password on iPhone. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your password quickly and confidently, all from your iPhone's built-in settings. Keep your device handy and make sure you're connected to the internet so everything saves properly. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the gray gear icon on your home screen or in your app library. This is where you control your device preferences and manage the accounts connected to your phone. At the very top of the settings screen, tap your name and email. This takes you into your account area where your iCloud and account information live. It's the central place for managing sign in and security details on your device. Next, scroll through the menu and tap Sign in and Security. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe, and it's where you'll make changes to how you sign in. You'll see options related to passwords, two factor authentication, and other security settings. Now tap Change Password. At this point, your iPhone may ask for your device passcode to confirm it's you. Go ahead and enter it if prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to set a new password. Take a moment to create something strong and memorable. A good password is unique to this account and uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details or anything you've reused elsewhere. If your iPhone suggests a strong password, that can be a helpful option, and you can save it with your device's built-in password manager so you don't have to remember it later. As you complete the prompts, double check that you've typed your new password correctly in both fields. When you finish, confirm to save. The update may take a moment to apply. Once completed, your password will be updated successfully. If you're signed in on other devices, you might be asked to enter the new password there as well, and some apps may prompt you to sign in again. That's normal and ensures your accounts stay secure and in sync. If anything doesn't look right or you see an error, make sure you have a stable connection and try again. Keeping your passwords up to date is a great habit, and storing them securely will save you time down the road. And that's it. Your Gmail password has now been changed on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.